National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northeastern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, southeastern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McNeil, 11 miles northeast of Picayune, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Diamond Head and Kiln. This includes Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 9 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River.